Hello children, welcome to Read and Learn. Today we're going to read story number 2. Let's read. Harriet was excited when her parents told her that she was going to have a new sister. But when the baby arrived, Harriet started to feel left out. Her parents were always busy taking care of the baby, and Harriet felt like they didn't have time for her anymore. She tried to help out, but the baby always needed more attention. One day at school, they learned about growth mindset, which means that we can learn and improve our skills through effort and practice. Harriet realized that she needed to try harder to understand her sister's needs and be patient with her parents. She started to ask her parents questions about how to take care of the baby and tried to help out whenever she could. She also talked to her parents about how she was feeling left out, and they made an effort to spend more quality time with her. Over time, Harriet started to feel more comfortable with her new sister and proud of herself for being a good helper and an even better sister. Now, children, answer the following questions. Good job!